Hello everyone, good afternoon. This is the video in which I'm going to tell you how to make Google Forms through your Android phones and how to make question paper or quizzes or how to collect the worksheets from the students. So for this, first of all, we open Chrome. On the top, we type Google Forms and this type of screen opens. Scrolling it a bit, we find this Google Forms sign in. Google Forms sign in. We click on this. After clicking this, we get a new page of the form that opens in front of us. In that, on the top, it is written Untitled Form. For Untitled Form, you can make the changes. You can write it. Say, for example, it is just a trial form. This is the trial form. On the top you can see the color bar. With this you can change the colors. Then this is the arrow for sending the message, sending the link, that I'll tell you afterwards. Then main is these three dots that are there. We click on these three dots and we get many options. Just we have to see, first is option is preview. We use this option when we have made the form and it is about to be sent to the children. Just we click on this and just see how the form looks. Then main option is setting. We click on the setting. After clicking on this setting, we get general, presentation and then quizzes. We come to each setting one by one. First of all, let us open general. In general, we collect the email addresses, response receipt, and that also not always if students responds it to. Then second option is requires sign in. Limit to one response. We need our children to give or to fill the form only once. Then second is presentation. For presentation we need to see and we will click on show progress bar. There is one more option, shuffle question order. If you wish, you can do this also. Shuffle question order means one child will have suppose 10 questions and other will have the same 10 but not in the same order. Then third option is quizzes. We click on this quizzes. We make this a quiz. Then all these options to be ticked. Release grade immediately after each submission or later. Normally we need that students should see their scores soon after they have submitted the form. So we click on this immediately after each submission. Then down here, respondent can see missed questions. Yes, they can see the missed questions, correct answers and then point values. We do these settings and then we save. After that, all the settings we have done. Now we come to the question paper. Now we see the paper here. First is untitled question. We have to type the question here. Say for example, I am writing India is a dash. India is a dash and I need it in the form of a multiple choice. This is multiple choice, it is coming. You can click on it, and if you need some short answers, if you need paragraph, if you need checkbox, drop, file menu, linear, multiple green, mean there are many types of answers that you need. Suppose for this question I need multiple choice. I have ticked on multiple choice. Then there are options. Suppose I need India is a country. Second option, if I need, then it is, suppose I write it as a state, country or a state, right? And then I have given two options, either a country or a state, and I make this as a required, that this is the must question. They have to attempt the question, right? Then we can give the point values also. Here it is coming. See, you can see 0 point. If I need this question of mark 1, so we just change this and I write 1 over here, 1 point, right? Also we click on the correct answer. This is the correct answer. We click on the correct answer. Fine. Just see once again, India is country or state. Any options that you want you can give. Whichever is the correct answer, you just click on that correct answer. Give the points, जितने भी नंबर का आपको टेस्ट बनाना है, क्वेश्चन देना है, right? And then done. This is the way we have done first question. India is a country. Then if we want another question, this is question number 1. Another question, if we want, there are two ways. One is this plus sign, you can see there are many options, no, plus, this arrow, then text, image and all. So there is plus option. We can add another question by this plus, or also we can do it from here on the top. रिक्वायर्ड है, रिक्वायर्ड के साथ इट इज़ डिलीट आइकन, और उसके बाद जो ऑप्शन है हम इसको भी क्लिक करेंगे तो वी विल हैव द सेम थिंग. Now the same question is repeated. Now suppose I change this question. Suppose I write Saharanpur is, and then for this also there can be the same options, or we can change the options. Also, if in place of the question we need to put any image, we can do that also. On the right hand side there is image option. If we click on that, then we get the same option, right? There is image. See, this is the image. Insert image. From wherever we need the image, we can insert any of the image there, right? Then also, if in place of this multiple choice, if we need some PDF forms, answer in the form of PDF or picture or video or anything, then in place of multiple choice or in place of paragraph, short answers and all, we can also click on this option, file upload. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th option is file upload. If we click on this file upload, then this option comes, let respondent upload files to the drive and continue. That means for the same question, they will not write anything, they will upload the file in whichever form you want, right? And then make this option necessary. This is the required option. You can choose the options from here, which form you need the file, maybe documents, maybe PDF or image. These are the options. Then you can choose the file size also, number of files. You can choose 1, 2 or anything. Suppose 5 files. Maximum file size, it is 100 MB it is showing, we can change it to 100 MBs also, and so on. And same way we can change the points also. If it is lengthy question, we can give it 5 points. Saharanpur is, this question is of 5 marks, and they have to give you the file, they have to upload the file, maybe in the form of video, audio, whatever, right? And then done. Okay, so this question is done. This is the way we can make the form. And just let us see the preview till now of our form. See, when you give it to your students, it will look like this. Saharanpur is a, they have to choose any option. And then for first one is India is a, they have to choose the option. Second is Saharanpur is, here they will not choose, they have to add file, and it is of 5 marks. These red asterisks shows that it is compulsory question, right? Then these are the questions. Now if it has to be sent to the students, what do? We click on this above arrow like this. Now you can see it can be sent through mail or attachments or link. Normally we have to send it, we can send it through mail, no problem. But if we are sending it through WhatsApp, then we need a link. If we click on this attachment sign, then we get this link. We can copy it or we can shorten it. छोटा कर देंगे, then we copy the link. Copy हो जाता है, clipboard पर copy हो गया. Then we can go to the WhatsApp and we can paste the link, right? After pasting the link will be opened to your children and then they can fill the form. So I hope this information was okay for you. Just a try for all the teachers who are trying to make Google form. Thank you so much.